Welcome to Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. As a thank you for being here, we have a special gift for you to enjoy, so stick around until the end. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this accessible yoga practice together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice today with a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart, and on your exhale, round your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, and spine. Release and return to center. Place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, center. Exhale, gently twist. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, engaging through your obliques and deep spinal muscles while creating more core strength and mobility. Adding on, inhale at center, exhale, gently twist as you lift through the opposite leg. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while working through your obliques. Pausing at center, moving into a side crunch variation. Maintain your hands behind your head with your elbows wide. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards your hip, gently flexing. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your elbows wide, broadening across your chest, flexing through your side body, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, and sign up to get your free Chair Yoga Starter Guide plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.